Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar F-Pace, double white. What a lovely looking car this is, and it drives fantastic. Great spec, front park distance control. It's a facelift model. Rear park distance control. It's a 2 litre D, all-wheel drive, twin exhaust. Just look at the condition. It's going in the showroom, honestly. It really is lovely, and I don't say that often. It's got the electric rear opening tailgate, camera, lovely inside. Got some carpet mats here, got the parcel shelf. This is where it gets lovely, I think. Look at that white leather interior with the panoramic roof in absolutely stunning condition. Electric memory seats, electric windows all round, electric folding mirrors. Put it anywhere on the seats. Starts up lovely, sounds quiet. It's done 81,984 miles. Reverse camera, park distance control, satellite navigation, heated temperature seats, 3 stages, camera, park pilot. That's great, it'll park your car for you. Climate control, 6-speed gearbox, different driving modes. USB, Apple CarPlay, centre armrest. Again, I'll show you the lovely panoramic roof, which has a blind as well. Cruise control, electric steering column. There's just no wear on it. It's like most of our cars, we always have well above average car. So it's got lane assist, Meridian Hi-Fi. There's probably a lot more that I haven't seen. Just look at the door apertures, absolutely lovely. Not one to be missed. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.